Looking to elevate your typing experience with the unbeatable combination of tactility, durability, and aesthetic appeal. With so many options available, finding the ideal one can be a daunting task. Fear not, as we've curated a list of the top 5 mechanical keyboards for 2024, encompassing both wired and wireless models. From budget-friendly options to premium picks, dive into our selection for the ultimate typing experience. Let's kick things off with the best wired gaming option, which is the SteelSeries Apex Pro mechanical keyboard, a keyboard that's all about putting you in the driver's seat of your typing experience. This beast boasts a revolutionary feature called omni-point switches. Now, these aren't your average mechanical switches. They utilize magnets for key registration, which unlocks a whole new level of customization. If you're a mechanical keyboard lover looking for the best pick for gaming, look no further than the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard switches use magnets to register key presses rather than a fixed physical mechanism. This technology lets you precisely adjust every key's actuation and reset points, effectively adjusting how sensitive each key press is. In practice, if you want a super sensitive WASD cluster for movements while gaming, you can set the actuation point down to 1, or you can create a profile with deeper actuation points on all keys for typing. The Apex Pro is a wired keyboard, featuring a long, rubber-coated cable that should accommodate most desk setups. This cable terminates in 2 USB plugs, one for the keyboard itself and another for the convenient USB pass-through. This allows you to connect an additional device, like your headset or mouse, directly to the keyboard, freeing up a USB port on your computer. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is a full RGB keyboard, letting you personalize the lighting effects to match your style or create a visually immersive ambiance. You can easily control the brightness and lighting patterns directly on the keyboard using the menu button. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is a powerhouse for gamers, but its versatility extends far beyond. It's a truly unique keyboard that adapts to your needs, offering a satisfying typing experience and the responsiveness you crave in the heat of battle. At number 4, we have the Asus ROG Azoth, a keyboard that's as visually stunning as it is functionally impressive. This one's a feast for the eyes, featuring a customizable LED display that can showcase anything from system stats to your favorite animated GIF. But the beauty goes beyond the surface. The ROG Azoth boasts hot-swappable NX switches, allowing you to easily customize the typing feel to your preference. Plus, it has a modular design. The number pad detaches for a more compact footprint, perfect for optimizing your desk space. It also has a detachable number pad. This allows you to switch between a full-size layout for maximum functionality when you need all the keys, or a more compact, tinky-less layout for those who value desk space and a minimalist setup. This flexibility ensures you can optimize your setup based on the game you're playing or your personal preference. The ROG Azoth utilizes a silicone gasket mount with 3 layers of dampening foams. This innovative design minimizes noise and vibration while creating a satisfying, bouncy typing experience. Whether you're typing furiously during an intense online battle or crafting in-game strategies, this keyboard delivers a comfortable and enjoyable feeling under your fingertips. The wired connection offers potentially lower latency, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness in those crucial gaming moments. But that doesn't mean you're chained to your desk. The ROG Azoth also boasts tri-mode connectivity. This allows you to connect wirelessly via Bluetooth and switch between 3 devices at a time. Additionally, ROG Speed Nova wireless technology provides up to 2,000 hours of low-latency gameplay in 2.4 ZRF wireless mode, offering you the flexibility to choose between wired and wireless connectivity based on your needs. With its extensive customization options, innovative design features, and focus on comfort and versatility, the Asus ROG Azoth is a true gamer's paradise. It's a keyboard that lets you personalize your setup, optimize your performance, and conquer every challenge in comfort and style. For those who crave the untethered freedom of a wireless keyboard without sacrificing performance, the Alienware Pro Wireless swoops in at number 3. This sleek keyboard boasts a rock-solid wireless connection, ensuring low latency for a lag-free gaming experience. Plus, it offers a variety of Cherry MX switches to choose from, letting you personalize the typing feel based on your preference. Having a selection of Cherry MX switches, known for their durability and satisfying keystrokes, allows gamers to choose the feel that best suits their playstyle. Do you prefer the satisfying click of a blue switch, or perhaps the smooth, linear actuation of a red switch? The Alienware Pro Wireless caters to these preferences, This keyboard utilizes a reliable wireless connection for a lag-free gaming experience. No more worrying about cables getting in the way or compromising your responsiveness in crucial moments. The Alienware Pro Wireless boasts an impressive battery life, ensuring you can game for hours on a single charge. This eliminates the need to constantly worry about your keyboard dying in the middle of an intense session. The Alienware Pro Wireless combines the freedom of a wireless connection with the performance and customization options the gamers crave. The variety of Cherry MX switches allows for personalized typing experiences, while the reliable wireless connection ensures low-latency gameplay. The long battery life adds an extra layer of convenience, letting you focus on what matters most, dominating the competition. The runner-up goes to the Keychron Q6. This keyboard delivers high-quality construction and top-of-the-line typing quality right out of the box. It has a gasket-mounted design, which means the interior components are all held between shock-absorbing rubber pieces. The Keychron Q6 is the sixth iteration of Keychron's customizable Q-series keyboards. Similar to previous models in this series, it has a double gasket-mounted design, hot swappable printed circuit board, screw-in stabilizers, and rounded PBT caps. It also comes with several tools to help customize your keyboard. The major difference with this model is its size, as this is the first full-size keyboard in the lineup. This design provides a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience without the abrupt sensation of bottoming out your key presses. The Keychron Q6 comes with its own dedicated software that allows you to customize RGB lighting effects, create macros, and remap keys. This level of software control empowers you to fine-tune the keyboard to your specific needs and preferences. A pair of sound-dampening foam layers are sandwiched inside, which soften the ping and rattle from the switches and stabilizers, making for a surprisingly smooth and pleasant-sounding typing experience. The Keychron Q6's typing quality is excellent. Its double gasket design helps make typing feel light and slightly springy, and the two layers of sound-dampening foam provide good acoustics. Another key feature of the Keychron Q6 is its hot swappable switches. This means you can easily customize the switches without soldering. Whether you prefer the clicky satisfaction of a classic blue switch or the smooth, linear feel of a red, the Q6 lets you tailor the typing experience to your liking. The Keychron Q6 is very good for office use. It feels incredibly well built and offers an excellent typing quality. Layers of sound-dampening foam keep it very quiet, and the Gateron G Pro Red switches on this unit make the key presses feel very light. That said, this keyboard is also hot swappable, which means you can change out the default switches for those of your choosing. This keyboard also has robust customization software compatible with Windows, MacOS, and Linux. Unfortunately, the ergonomics are only decent, as it has a high profile and doesn't come with a wrist rest. As we reach the pinnacle of our mechanical keyboard journey, we arrive at the Keychron Q1 Max, the undisputed king of wireless mechanical. Building upon the impressive foundation laid by the Q6, the Q1 Max elevates the wireless experience to a whole new level, offering a premium package brimming with features and functionality. Let's unpack what makes the Keychron Q1 Max the champion of mechanical keyboards. The Q1 Max utilizes high-performance Bluetooth 5.1 for a lag-free typing experience, freeing you from the constraints of cables. Additionally, it boasts multi-device pairing, allowing you to seamlessly switch between your computer, laptop, or tablet with a simple keystroke. This level of wireless connectivity makes it perfect for multitaskers who juggle multiple devices throughout the day. Just like its wired counterpart, the Q1 Max features a stunning CNC machined aluminum frame that exudes a sense of quality and durability. This keyboard is built to last and feels incredibly sturdy under your fingertips. The Q1 Max inherits the hot swappable switch feature from the Q6, allowing you to customize the typing experience to your liking without soldering. Whether you prefer the clicky response of a blue switch or the smooth glide of a linear red, the Q1 Max lets you tailor the keyboard to your specific needs. The Keychron Q1 Max isn't just about top-notch features. It also prioritizes practicality. It boasts a long-lasting battery to ensure uninterrupted wireless use for extended periods. Additionally, it features a USB-C port for wired connectivity or charging, offering you the flexibility to choose the connection method that best suits your situation. The Keychron Q1 Max represents the pinnacle of wireless mechanical keyboards. It combines premium build quality, hot swappable customization, and a flawless wireless experience with features like multi-device pairing and a long-lasting battery. It's a fantastic option for anyone who wants a beautiful, functional, and cable-free keyboard that elevates their workspace and caters to their individual preferences. There you have it. We've explored the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2024. Remember, the best keyboard for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you crave wired performance, wireless freedom, or the ability to customize every aspect of your typing experience, there's a perfect mechanical keyboard in this list. Did you find a keyboard that caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below which one you're most excited about. And if you have any questions about these keyboards or mechanical keyboards in general, feel free to leave them down below as well.